Hi, it's Paul. So in the previous two videos we've spoken about how to build an online course. So in this third and final part of the video I'm going to talk about the different platforms that you can actually use to create, or rather to turn the content that you've created into an online course. So once you've chosen your particular platform, as I mentioned before, there are quite a few different platforms out there. There's Kajabi, Teachable, many others. We actually prefer to use Thrive Apprentice, which is a WordPress-based platform. We find it really good. It has lots of very sophisticated features, but it's very easy to use. But the actual creation of the course on an online platform, it should be a fairly mechanical exercise because you've already created your content, you've recorded your videos. So once you've got an account with one of the online companies, it should be quite a mechanical exercise to copy and paste your content in there. Now the great thing about the approach that I'm teaching you so far is that all the content is already within your ownership. You've got it in a Microsoft Word document or a Google Doc, spreadsheets, videos, all that kind of thing. When I first started building a course many years ago, I was creating my content directly on the platform. So I was actually typing my content straight onto the platform. That was a big mistake because when I wanted to move away from that platform, which I definitely did because I had so many problems, I had to get all the content. I couldn't just export it. I had to copy and paste it into a document before I could then put it somewhere else. But with the approach that I've given you so far, you already own the content. You've got it in a document, you can put it on a memory stick, you can put it on a cloud drive. So no matter which platform you put your content onto, if that platform goes out of business, you've still got all your content and you can post it somewhere else. Now that's very important because for me, I went through a lot of pain, didn't do that approach, made a big mistake, and that was a hard lesson learned, which hopefully you'll benefit from by not making that same mistake. Now there are quite a few different things to consider when you are building your online course on a platform. You have to think about the security, login, payments. You have to think about backups, make sure that the site's secure. If you're doing it on WordPress, you're going to have to take care of all those things yourself. With something like Kajabi, all of that will be done for you. All the backups, the security, the payments, integration, makes life a lot simpler. Now Kajabi is quite expensive when you're first starting out, so it can be a bit of a big investment, but if you've got your revenue coming in and you're already successfully selling courses, it shouldn't be too much of a problem. But if you don't have that, then you might find you may need to actually get some test users for your course, find them in various Facebook groups, and they can just be tested out on the content in its raw format and the videos in their raw format, just to get some feedback. Once you know you've got a course that hangs together well, then you can actually put it on a platform when you're confident that you're going to get some sales for it. So there you have it. I've pretty much covered all the different aspects of the course that you need to think about. I've given you some food for thought. I haven't told you everything there is to know, and there's always something new to learn, but hopefully you'll be well informed enough to have the confidence and the know-how to get started in creating your online course. Good luck, see you soon.